Fit Queens, and welcome back. So today's workout, we're gonna be doing a arm workout. So this arm workout is designed for that person who only can use 5-pound dumbbells, or maybe, they only ready for like some light dumbbells. However, if you are watching this and you are a little stronger, please feel free to add in some weight, maybe some 10-pound, maybe 15 pounds. So we're gonna be working in 2 circuits. We're gonna do each circuit 2 times. Each circuit is gonna have 4 exercises, all using the 5-pound dumbbells, okay? We're gonna be 30 seconds on with a 15-second break. Feel free to take extra breaks if you need it, okay? You can pause this if you need to catch your breath, or if you need to, let your muscles kind of, get back to normal a little bit, okay? Also, if you need a little bit of motivation for your workouts, make sure you head to herdneutralife.com and get yourself some Herd Motivation pre-workout. We got the honeydew melon flavor. It is available right now on the site. If you are new to Fit Queen Team On Demand, you have no idea what I'm talking about, Herd Nutra is my supplement company, and it is the official supplements for Fit Queen Team On Demand. And I have to say this because some people have hit me up and they thought that I was just like an ambassador for the company or an affiliate. No, Herd Nutra is my company. I developed the company. The money for this company came out of my bank account, okay? I branded this company. This is my brand. This is my company, okay? So just FYI, right? So make sure you head to Herd Neutral Life and get you some pre-workout, get you some BCAAs, some protein, whatever you need, okay? I'm going to show you what the first exercise of the circuit is going to be. We're getting started in about 30 seconds, ladies. So you're going to take your dumbbells, 5 to 10 pounds at the most, okay? We're going to do a single arm shoulder press. So make sure that your elbows don't go past your shoulders too much. We're not down here. We're up here. We're going to go 1 and 2. Okay, we got 30 seconds on with a 15-second break. We're starting in about 15 seconds. So go ahead and get that last little shake, get that last little stretch out. Make sure we get those, make sure you get a nice little stretch in your hamstrings. You want to warm up those knees as well. We're getting started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Actually, no, my bad. We got another 10 seconds. Sorry, guys. Sorry, ladies. All right, now we're getting ready to start. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're gonna go 1 and 2, just like that. 1 and 2. Come on. For the full 30 seconds. Feel that burn, all right? Now, ladies, if you're doing this workout and you're like, you know what? This workout is really easy. That means it's time for you to upgrade from this 5-pound dumbbell. Okay, you're stronger than you think. I promise you, you're stronger than you think. But you gotta push yourself. You're never gonna know how strong you are until you push yourself a little bit. All right, rest. Okay, next we got bicep curl to a front raise. So we're gonna have an underhand here, underhand grip. We're gonna do a bicep curl, and then we're gonna press it up. Your palms are gonna face you on the way up. Let's go. So curl, press, just like that. So make sure you're not swinging your body either. Okay, so don't do this. We're not doing that. We're gonna go down, full extension of the arm, up, press. Keep it going, come on. And rest. Awesome, ladies. Okay, next we have a Y raise, okay? So what that means is we're gonna do another shoulder press, but you're gonna bring your arms out to a Y, okay? Just like so think of a letter Y. Let's go. We're gonna go out, in, just like that. Working those shoulders. Yes, I'm gonna have some nice toned shoulders. We gotta work the upper body too, ladies. We can't just be doing the booty all day. Okay? You guys, I just wanna say that today I woke up and I did a Soul Cycle 45-minute class at Soul Cycle. Okay? And then I came here, and then I came back home and I'm filming for you guys. So that means I love y'all, because your girl was dying in that Soul Cycle class, all right? Next workout, we're gonna get on the ground for this, sorry. Get on the ground, alternating planks. We're here, let's go. Ooh, so here, down, keep the butt down. Keep the butt down, keep the core tight. If you can't do it here, I want you on your knees. Same thing. Okay? You might want to switch arms, switch the direction of arms. Make sure you get both sides. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. Hey ladies, so I know you're catching your breath, you're probably out of breath, the sweat is dripping, girl, you are doing it, all right? But I wanted to come on here and tell you guys about our free accountability group on Facebook. So our group is called Fit Queen Team. And in that group, you're gonna get all sorts of support and guidance from about 5,000 fit queens right now, all right? So the group is totally free. So if you want a little bit more connection to me and the Fit Queen team, make sure you click that link down below and join us in our free Facebook group. Also, head to herneutralife.com and get you some of these. This recovery tastes amazing, y'all. Also, the greens too. Just get everything. Just go there and get everything, okay? Get back to the workout. One more time, starting in about 5 seconds. Single arm shoulder press. Let's go, ladies. 1, 2, just like that. 1, 2. Just like that. Make sure your arms aren't falling too low. Keep those elbows right about at shoulder level. Rest. All right, next we got bicep curl to front raise, okay? Now ladies, remember this workout, we're only working the upper body. So if this is your only workout for today, I want you to add in some cardio or maybe even a leg workout. Let's go, bicep curl, front raise. So if this is probably gonna be about a 15-minute or so workout, so I want you to add in something else today. Okay, maybe some cardio, maybe a dance workout, maybe a booty workout, but make sure that you give me about 45 minutes of activity today. 45 minutes of activity, 44 days a week. If you can do that consistently, you can reach your goals, I promise you, okay? Now, if you want more of a toned body, rest. If you want more of a toned body, you want to do maybe 3 days of strength training and maybe 1 day of just cardio. But you can also add in cardio on your strength days, okay? You can do like maybe 10, 20 minutes of cardio after your strength day and then have 1 day with cardio. Okay, damn, I forgot where I was. Okay, Y raise, let's go. Y raise, yeah, 45 minutes of activity, 4 days a week, ladies. If you can remember that formula, you can reach your goals, okay? So like I said, if you want to be toned, more strength training. If you just want to be healthier, just move your body for four times a week. That's all. You know, some people don't really want to be, have muscles and stuff, and that's okay. Just move your body. I'm telling you, rest. I'm telling you, when you get older, you're 65, and you can still move around without having to use a cane and all that stuff, you're gonna thank me. Okay, I promise you. Move your body at least 4 days a week, 45 minutes, okay? Alternate plank on the ground, let's go. Let's go. Keep that booty down, ladies. Got no butts in the air like this. We're not up here. Bring that core in, bring the tailbone into your spine. Let's go. Modify, you're right here, okay? Woo, rest. Woo, all right, that was the end of the second circuit. So we're gonna move on to the next circuit. Okay, the next exercise. So for the next circuit, we're gonna start with doing a single arm front raise, okay? Single arm front, just regular front raise. So we're gonna bring the weights to your shoulders and down. That's it, okay? You shouldn't be flying away, okay? We're gonna keep the core tight, shoulders back, chest out, boom, just like that, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's go, ladies. Go up, nice and slow too. Follow my tempo, ladies. It's not a race. Follow my tempo. This is all we need. We're not here. Roll your shoulders back, chest up, chest out and proud. 1. That's it. gonna have some sexy shoulders today. 3 seconds, let's go. Okay, the next exercise, we're gonna do a row, okay? Row. So we're gonna do a bent over row. So for this bent over row, I want you to hinge forward, stick the glutes back. Your back is straight, your arms are just hanging, okay? We're gonna pull your elbows up, keeping the elbows tucked in. Squeeze the back, let's go. So make sure you let your arms hang. I see a lot of times people do something like this and they're not letting their arms hang. Let your arms hang. And then pull them up, let them go. Pull them up, let them go. Make sure you're keeping your elbows tight to your body. Okay, our elbows are not out here, ladies. Keep them in just like this. Your elbows go back. Also, don't do this, ladies. Don't hunch your shoulders. Don't hunch your shoulders like this, okay? You wanna roll the shoulders back. All right, next, we have just regular bicep curls. What we're gonna do, damn it, I forgot the name of this. Hammer curls. So, your weights are gonna be this way, okay? Here, let's go, hammer curls. Nice and slow. Control the weight. Follow my tempo. Just like this. Keep your elbows tight to the body. Keep your elbows tight to the body. Keep it going, ladies. Tight to the body. You can do it. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, next we're gonna get down to the ground. We're gonna do a push-up to a child pose. So you're gonna be on your knees. Now, if you can do a regular push-up, do a regular push-up, but you're gonna get on your knees. Make sure that your core is in. We're not up here. Bring that core in. We're gonna do a push-up and back, okay? Push-up, back, okay? Now, ladies, do not do this. You see how my booty in the air? So if you see yourself do this, this is what I want you to do. I want you to crunch your tailbone, crunch your booty into your spine, like curl your tailbone in, contract that core. This is gonna take the weight from your butt to your core, okay? Now go. There we go, rest. All right, y'all, we got one more round of this. We got one more round and then we're done, okay? So remember, this workout is designed to be in addition to your main workout, which should be maybe some cardio or a leg workout or maybe even a full body workout, okay? So this workout, if you're doing this workout first, after this, I want you to go do some legs, some cardio, maybe some abs, okay? We got one more round of this, ladies, and then we're done. Starting with the front raise again, okay? We're starting in 3 seconds, ladies. Almost done, let's go. Up and down, just like that. Let's go, ladies. We're almost done. Push yourselves. Push yourself. Also, the last round, push yourself a little bit. If you have some heavier weights there sitting next to you, maybe some 10 pounds, maybe 8 pounds, 10 pounds, give it a try. All right, we're gonna do a bent over row. Let's go. Remember your back, you're parallel to the ground too. Pull it up, let it go. Let's go. Elbows go back. Roll your shoulders back away from your ears. Make sure you're not crunching up your shoulders like this. Roll your shoulders back, keep that back straight. Stick the glutes out. All the weight should be in the heels of your feet. Squeeze that back. Focus on squeezing that back. Okay, we got bicep curls, hammer curls. Let's go. Almost done, ladies. Woo! Almost done. This is my 3rd workout of the day. Yes, I worked well. The soul soccer class was 45 minutes. Go. Soul soccer class was 45 minutes. And then before this, I did about a 20-minute walking workout before I recorded this. And now I'm recording. And after this, I think I still have some more stuff to film. Woo! So this is gonna be I'm probably gonna burn about 1,500 calories today on my Apple Watch. Woo! Woo, 5 seconds later. If you guys have never done a soul cycle class, woo, or any sort of cycle class, like in a cycle studio, I'm telling y'all, woo, boy, it'll humble you real quick. All right, what will we be doing? Oh, push up, my bad. Push ups, let's go. Push ups. If you can do a regular push up, do a regular push up. Make sure using that chest muscle, push yourself up. No booties in the air. Put all that weight in your arms. Let's go. You can do it. If you keep saying you're bad at push-ups, guess what? You're never gonna be good at this. So do it. Rest. Woo. All right, ladies. Woo. Clap it up, clap it up. We are done with that arm workout. Woo, woo, woo. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that quick little sexy arms 5-pound dumbbell workout. All right, ladies. Woo. Make sure, comment down below on this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this workout. Let me know how you like this. Let me know what other workouts you guys want to see. Okay, ladies? All right, you guys. That is the end of the workout. I'll see y'all later. Bye, ladies.
But it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.